Greetings everyone, we are here with our retail project on store layout done by our team members Swarnendu, Sucheta, Souranil, Sreyanka and myself Mir. We will be talking about store layout analysis, space utilization, visual merchandising, customer experience, technology integration, inventory management, promotional space, staff analysis and data analysis. Store layout analysis is about understanding customer flow and product placement, which is crucial in optimizing store layout. A strategic analysis involves evaluating customer behavior and merchandise positioning to maximize sales potential.
Space utilization. Efficient use of retail space is essential for maximizing profitability. This involves balancing product display with customer comfort to create an inviting and lucrative shopping environment. Visual merchandising. Strategic visual merchandising can significantly impact customer purchasing behavior. Effective use of displays and signage can influence product visibility and drive impulse purchases.
Customer experience. A well designed store layout contributes to a positive customer experience. This includes factors such as store navigation, lighting, and SLY that can influence customer satisfaction and loyalty. Technology integration. Integrating technology into the store layout can streamline operations and enhance the shopping experience. This can include features such as self checkout kiosks and interaction displays.
Inventory management. Strategic store layout design can optimize inventory management by ensuring efficient stock replacement and inventory visibility. This can reduce stockouts and improve inventory turnover. Promotional spaces. Dedicated promotional spaces strategically placed throughout the store can boost product visibility and promote special offers. These areas can drive impulse purchases and increase customer engagement.
Staff allocation. Strategically allocating staff resources based on customer flow and product demand can improve customer service and checkout efficiency. This can lead to enhanced customer satisfaction and loyalty. Data analysis. Utilizing data analytics to evaluate customer behavior and sales patterns can inform store layout optimization. This data driven approach can lead to more informed decisions and strategic adjustments. Conclusion. Optimizing retail efficiency through strategic store layout analysis is a critical component of business success. By prioritizing factors such as customer experience, space utilization, and technology integration, retailers can enhance profitability and competitiveness in the market. Thank you.